Welcome students of the Eastern English course. I am teacher Augusto and we are going to continue English. In this opportunity we are going to do the last class of this unit. So let's go. The topic of today is singular and plural nouns. Remember something. What is a noun? Do you have any idea? Let me tell you. A noun is a word that refers to a thing, an animal, a person, a place, a quality, or an idea. In English, we have regular nouns. When we want to make plural nouns, we only add s at the end of the word. For example, if we say house, if we want to say this word in a plural noun, we are going to add s at the end of the word and we are going to say houses. House is a singular word and houses is a plural word. Singular nouns that ends in x, s, ch, sh, or z makes the plural by adding es. For example, box, b-o-x. This singular noun ends in x. If we are going to change this noun to plural form, we are going to add es because the singular noun box ends in x. If a singular noun ends with the letter y, but before of this letter there is a consonant, we are going to change the letter y by I and we are going to add es. For example, baby. Baby ends in y. If we want to change this word in a plural noun, we are going to say babies. We are going to change the letter y by I and we are going to add es. Baby, babies. If a singular noun ends in y but before this letter there is a vowel, we are going to add s. We are not going to make any change. We only add s. For example, toy. Toy ends in the letter y. Before this letter there is a vowel o. So if we want to change this word to a plural form, we only need to add s. Toy, singular, and plural, toys. If there is a word that ends in o and before this letter there is a vowel, we only add s to make this word from singular to plural. For example, kangaroo. Kangaroo ends in o. Before this letter there is a vowel o. So we only need to add s. Kangaroo, singular noun, kangaroos, plural nouns. If we have a word that ends in o but before this letter there is a consonant, we are going to add es at the end of the word to make the word in a plural form. For example, tomato. Tomato ends in O. Before this letter, there is a consonant, T. So, if we want to change this singular noun to a plural noun, we are going to add ES. Tomato, singular noun, tomatoes, plural noun. In English, there are regular nouns, but also there are irregular nouns. Can you see what is the difference? I am going to show you. In regular nouns, for example, the word toy. Toy is a singular noun, but if I want to change to a plural form, for example, we only need to add S. Toy, singular. Toys, plural. The pronunciation of these words doesn't change a lot. Toy, toys. But in the case of irregular nouns, the form of we are going to write and we are going to say the word will change. For example, we have the word woman. Woman is singular. But if we want to say this word in a plural form, we are going to say women. The pronunciation change and the manner of writing will change too. Another example, child. Child is a singular noun, but if we want to say it in a plural form, we are going to say children. Have you noticed the difference? Exactly. The pronunciation and the form, how we are going to write this word will change. One more example. Food. Food. Food is a singular noun. If we want to say it in a plural form, we are going to say feed. Food, feed. The pronunciation changed completely in a plural form, and the form of writing this word will change too. Do you understand? Very well. So, thank you, students, for your attention in these 5 classes that we have in this unit. Continue practice your English, and we are seeing in other unit to continue learning more English. Goodbye.